may come as no surprise that fresh food ranks high in importance for both customers and grocery stores. Despite all the changes and challenges in the supermarket industry, grocers' strength in fresh food like meat and seafood remains a constant, and one they should capitalize on. According to Deloitte, 9 in 10 customers said fresh food makes them happy. They equate fresh food with nutrition and want to buy healthy food, even if they don't always do so. And more than half of supermarket executives report that fresh food will be their most strategically important department over the next 1 to 3 years, with meat, among others, leading the charge. Critical to successfully presenting and maintaining fresh food is dependent on the display, one that's both visually appealing to shoppers and ensures the quality of the product inside. The new Atmosphere Refrigerated Service Merchandiser, a high-capacity, low-maintenance display case, was created to elevate the raw meat and seafood presentation while preserving their natural elements. Atmosphere features advanced nebulization technology, a natural humidification process that restores moisture lost during refrigeration, helping reduce weight loss, preserve color, and extend product freshness. While other merchandisers include the traditional gravity coil design that obstructs product visibility and limits shelving, Structural Concepts places a design focus on prioritizing maximum capacity in smaller or limited areas where store floor space is a premium. With its space-saving 3-tier format, Atmosphere fits 24 linear feet of product into just 8 feet of floor space, while other units require 12 feet to do the same. To keep downtime low and performance high, Atmosphere is engineered to require 95% less maintenance than alternative systems, with an easy wipe-down design that requires no disassembly. Atmosphere is a turnkey solution backed by a full factory warranty. Whether you operate a bustling supermarket or a focused specialty meat and seafood shop, Atmosphere is your all-in-one solution for high-impact displays that preserve freshness and save valuable space. Go to structuralconcepts.com to learn more. Structural Concepts. Delivering fresh, always.